Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, we are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this card for your career situation, Virgos. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, Virgos, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr, so you can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have Four of Swords, Empress, Six of Cups. So today you are thinking about something, Virgos. You need to make a decision and you're thinking about it, and maybe you are sharing about your past, maybe your memories, your past life with your friends or family, with the people who are close to you, with your colleagues. Maybe you are telling them what you did, maybe your childhood days, something you did, something of the past. So you're sharing your memories, beautiful memories, sad memories, whatever it is, and pleasant memories with the new people, maybe people who are new to you. They may not know you deeply, so you're giving them a clear understanding about yourself. And you feel really inspired, confident about something. It may be the way you are in this relationship. Maybe you are really cheerful, feeling inspired with this person, happy to be with them. You simply love their company. You love to be with this person because you have mutual understanding, and that may be the reason you are sharing about yourself, telling this person what you feel and what is your past, what is the truth, and everything about yourself. You are telling this person everything, but deep down in your heart of hearts you are thinking about something. Maybe today you need to make a decision, an important decision today. That is the reason you are thinking something you need to decide on. So you are though you are happy and cheerful outside, you are thinking about something important within yourself. So we will see what is the card for your relationship. In particular, we picked one card. It's Death in reverse. So maybe we were talking about some decision. Maybe you feel really stuck, unable to go towards the next step or the next move. Something is holding you back from deciding. Maybe you have not yet made your mind, about this relationship, what this person will think or what you should do, the future of this connection. So a lot of things are there on your mind, but you are feeling stuck, unable to decide this way or that way. So you lack clarity. Something is holding you back, making you be patient for a little longer. So let us see what is the card for your career situation. We have one card. We have Three of Cups. So in your work circumstances, you're celebrating something. It may be a new beginning of a project or assignment, some new offer, something good giving you happiness and sense of accomplishment. So you are celebrating a new beginning in your career, and maybe you are thinking of a new beginning in your relationship. That is why you are taking time. So that is the energy here with these cards, Virgos. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds. Open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's see what is the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have fairies, words. So words are the most powerful things, guys. We all know that. So with this card, the energy is that maybe you should watch your thoughts within your head and change them and to speak the words of beauty. So this does not mean that you have to flatter someone or give into falsehoods. It is the energy here is to find the beauty within yourself, find the beauty in the people and the world around you, in every situation, and speak with this beauty and from this beauty within you. To do this, you must change the ugliness or the distortions you have in your mind, the ugly thoughts, whatever it is, that poisonous from within. So we must give up all those toxic thoughts we have. So there is work to be done at a deeper level in your mind. So when you have worked your mind, your consciousness, the words that fall from your lips, it will be like jewels falling from the lips of this princess here. So it is that external evidence of your inner beauty. So you need to work at the deeper level first. Give up all the toxic thoughts you have and find that beauty within yourself. That beauty is going to come out in the words you speak. So you need to do that work, and you have that beauty in you to offer this world. So just like rain falls from the clouds, something beautiful will come out of you if you have that inner beauty. And also, good deeds are always rewarded. So no matter what you do, maybe it may be something small or something big, whatever it is, when you do something good, it comes back to you definitely. And there is someone in your circumstance who needs your help, and you are a very kind and compassionate person. You are thinking of helping this person, maybe for some of you. And imitating someone is not the way for success. Being like someone else is not going to take you anywhere. All you need to do is change yourself from deep within, give up all the negativity you have, and embrace your beauty within yourself. That is going to change you, that is going to change your circumstance and the world around you. So that is the energy here with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is the second card. Sorry guys. Poised. So with this card, it just means that you are confident about yourself today, confident about your skills and talents, confident about the way you are today. You are ready. You have come to this place. You are wise, knowledgeable, and you have a feeling that something new or some new phase of your life is beginning. And people respond to your confidence and they trust you. And this may also be the auspicious time for you to begin something new. So, in your relationship, also, if you're confident and happy in your own skin, you're ready for a deeper and more intimate relationship. And there is nothing to prove right now. You are completely yourself and you can handle anything. Love, friendship, or all those new connections that are coming right now towards you. You are ready to receive love and give love from your heart. And this is a very beautiful place to be. So you have that balance and that harmonious outlook on life, confidence that is going to help you to face any circumstance today in this relationship, to be that person you want to be. You are at the best right now. That is what this card is about. And there is something new coming in your life today. So that is the energy with this card. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. I hope you like this reading. If you like this reading and it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys.